Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change the currency from dollars to pounds, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Coinbase from dollars to pounds. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. To change to pounds, tap on to three dot lines at the left corner of the top. Now tap on it. Then tap on to profile and settings option. And here you can find the option of native currency. Now tap on it. Then to add the pounds, tap on to the search bar and type pound just like this. And now here you can find all of the pounds on the Coinbase app. Now simply tap on to the one that you want to add, just like this. And now you can see the pound has been added. And that's it. This is how you can change the Coinbase from dollars to pounds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.